This article will show you how to change out your coolant temperature sensor. Coolant is going to spill out and you will need to vacuum fill the system after you complete this job. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task if needed. Make sure you're working on a cold vehicle. You will be working with the coolant and you want it stone cold. Remove the front and right side engine panels. Again, please follow the link if you need additional assistance with that task. With the panels removed, you can see the sensor, red arrow, on the right side coolant hose. While you do not need to remove the right side charged air pipe to perform this work, we did it for photographic purposes. It is easy to do and gives you a lot more room. If you want to remove the pipe, use a flathead screwdriver for the hose clamp, red arrow, and the head coupling, blue arrow. If you have a hand coupling tool, it will make quick work of the connection. Slide the wire clip up and separate the hose. Check the condition of the O-ring gasket inside when reinstalling. With the hose out of the way, you have plenty of room to remove the sensor indicated by the red arrow. Squeeze in on the tab on the electrical connector, red arrow, and separate the connection. Use a set of pliers and remove the metal retaining clip. Have a very large catch pan, red arrow, under the vehicle and pull and wiggle the sensor straight out, blue arrow. Coolant will bounce off of the hoses, engine, etc., so make sure your pan is large. Make sure to lubricate the O-ring on the new sensor with Porsche's coolant lubricant. We use the Porsche synthetic coolant gasket lubricant with great success. Installation is the reverse of removal, and now you will need to vacuum fill the coolant system. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.